Welcome to tutorial number 6, creating mailing labels by Polygon. To pause this video, simply click anywhere on the video screen or click the pause button. Click again to resume. This tutorial will teach you how to find subject properties on the map using the Parcels by Polygon sketch tool. The sketch tools, such as the Rectangle Sketch tool and Polygon Sketch tool, allows you to draw rectangular shapes or freeform shapes around one or multiple parcels on the map. The selected parcels that intersect property boundaries will be identified and can be exported to create mailing labels that are compatible with Avery 5160 labels. If you're not familiar with the Mailing Labels widget, it's recommended to watch tutorial number 1, which is an introduction to the Mailing Labels widget. To begin, we will sketch a polygon to establish our subject properties. Next, we will create an offset by adding a distance outward from our polygon. Finally, we'll export the buffer results to a PDF. Addresses that are exempt from public disclosure per Chapter 119, Florida statutes, are excluded from results. To start, we need to locate and center the map area where we want to sketch. Please note that the sketch tools are inactive above 600 feet. To enable the sketch tools, we'll need to zoom in until the message "Zoom into Enable" goes away. Perfect. With our map zoom level set and the sketch tools enabled, click the Parcels by Polygon sketch tool. Notice that your cursor changes to a crosshair. Feel free to zoom in further to obtain a clearer view of the area where you intend to start drawing. Now that you've reached this stage, you can proceed with drawing the polygon by creating its individual segments. Start by clicking once on the map to mark the starting point of the first line segment for your region of interest. It's important to keep in mind that you should refrain from using the escape key. After marking the starting point, move your mouse in the desired direction where the first line segment should end. As you move the mouse, a dotted line will appear to indicate the line segment you're creating. Click once to terminate the first line segment. Continue this process around your region of interest. Interior angle markers may be visible to assist with accurate polygon construction. Close the polygon by double-clicking on the map. The Mailing Labels widget will then calculate the polygon and identify the subject properties that intersect with it. These properties will be highlighted to serve as a visual aid. Once the polygon is complete and highlighted on the map, we have the option to exclude the subject properties and apply the distance offset. Additionally, you may want to filter out tax parcel types, such as streets. Now, only the parcels that are not a subject property and not a street will be exported. Please note, the distance offset represents the precise placement of the polygon when you draw it. If you need to meet specific requirements, you may want to draw the polygon along the parcel lines or use the polygon's planar area, which is calculated and displayed at the bottom of the map for accuracy. Click the Save as PDF to export the results to Avery 5160 compatible mailing labels. Click Reset whenever you're finished with your sketch or want to start over.